Okay, this is a 2-year review of a 2022 Fat Boy 114, an owner review. And Jimmy, well, what do you think so far?
Oh, love it. 2 years now, and really don't have any complaints about it. Thing runs beautiful. It's fast. It's agile. As you guys noticed, I've changed the color twice already. Yeah, originally, for those who've seen it before, it was black, and then I wanted it in reef blue. So, we took it apart, and it was my first go at it. And we painted it reef blue, and it came out beautiful, but it's actually very inexpensive to do it. I do it with a spray can, but it's an automotive paint. And it's been a year now, so I decided I just want to change the color. A lot cheaper to do that than buy a new bike. But this go around, I bought the paint from a different company, and this seems to work out pretty good. This color, the company is called CustomPaints.com, and their logo is Custom Cans. This is the color right here. It's base metallic coral red. And then the airbrush that's done around the fading and the shadowing is it's called a Candy Deep Red. And that's all the fading and that you would see. And then it's finished off with a 2K clear coat, a 2-part clear coat. And the stuff goes down real nice. Super soft, hard. I mean, you can wet sand it, you can polish it. And it was quite easy and inexpensive.
What do you figure it costs you to do this yourself, roughly?
$120. I still have some parts like the sandpaper and
Now, this was the first time you did the airbrushing yourself, right? You didn't do that on the reef blue.
I did not, but you could see, well, the reef blue, we did some pinstriping, but you could see this was all I did was mask that off and airbrush that color in. Same with the shadow of the Harley logo. And I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do next year. We'll do another color next year.
So this is a lot less expensive than getting a whole new bike, huh?
A lot less. And I think every time I do it, it's a little easier, and I think it comes out a little better. There's a few little things.
So would you recommend one of these bikes to somebody?
Absolutely.
Why is that? Why?
It's just, it's beautiful. I mean, you see it, it looks beautiful.
It's got a classic line.
It's a classic lines. It's a beautiful bike. I mean, it does have a windshield that you could take on and off.
Yeah, I noticed you have the windshield off today. You got that fat tire now. How do you like that fat tire? Do you notice a difference with that fat tire in the back?
No problem at all.
And you put the Vance and Hines slip-ons on.
That's correct.
Those are just the slash cuts.
That's correct, yes.
It's a great value. A lot of bang for the buck on those pipes, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Boy, I love the way the air cleaner came out too, you know what? Really awesome.
It's the contrast of the color and the chrome and the black. Awesome, right?
Really is. Look at that tank badge. And timing cover.
Points cover.
Points cover. You did that too. If you're interested in seeing how Jimmy did this, I refer you to the prior video that I did on the reef blue. He's got the fixtures all pre-made, so it's a no-touch process. And It's very creative, very, very creatively done. Well, Jimmy, any final thoughts? Now, this is your 2-year anniversary.
2-year anniversary.
It's a keeper? This bike is a keeper, you figure?
I think so right now, yeah.
I mean,
I don't have any plans of getting rid of it.
even if you added something else to the stable, you probably keep this.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
I mean, how can you not? It's just such a classic Harley Davidson motorcycle. Any final thoughts you want to add?
I think you got it covered.